Welcome to Bamford Rose. In conjunction with our online sales portal, on Saturday, July the 3rd, we're having an open day. If you want to sell your Aston, then why not come along? And I'm sure there'll be plenty of people on the lookout for good quality Astons. Before the day, if you'd like us to inspect your Aston so that any prospective buyer can see what the car's current health status is, we'll happily do that, or otherwise just register your interest to attend on the day. And should someone be interested in your car, then either on the day or afterwards we can inspect the car to give the purchaser reassurance and peace of mind. Not just for buying and selling, but if you'd like to meet other like-minded individuals interested in the Aston world, then come along. I'm sure we're going to have lots of exotic metal on display. If you'd like to come along, then just send us an email with June 3rd open day in the title and send it to me, mike@bamfordrose.com, and we'll put you on the list. Look forward to seeing you on the 3rd of July.